Hello girls and boys. Today we're going to have a look at 10 frames again in our number talk. So what I want you to do right now is imagine a 10 frame. Here we have one here. Now I want you to think about how would 6 look on a 10 frame. So if you could picture that in your mind just now, how would you see 6 on a 10 frame? So once you've got that in your head, what I want you to do now is pause the video and I want you to get a piece of paper and I want you to draw a 10 frame and I want you to put 6 dots on the 10 frame, the way that you imagined, the way that you thought about it when you had to think about how 6 would look on a 10 frame. And then start the video back up again. Off you go. Okay, so now you're back. I wonder how it looked. I'm thinking some of you would have had 6 on a 10 frame like this, with 5 on the top row and 1 on the bottom row, because we know that 5 plus 1 more is 6. Here's another way you might have imagined 6 on a 10 frame. You might have seen 3 in the top row anywhere and 3 in the bottom row anywhere. And we know that 3 plus 3 more are 6. Maybe you saw 6 on the 10 frame like this. 4 in the top row and 2 in the bottom row. And it's 4 and 2 more make 6. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 10 frame this way. Because remember before when we were at school, we talked about that it doesn't matter which way the 10 frame goes, it's still 10. So we're going to look at it like this. So maybe some of you did 3 and 3, which is the same as this, just the dots are in a different way, and that makes 6. I'll put this one here. Maybe you saw it like this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 more. So we went 2 and 2 is 4, 5, 6. Maybe this one, maybe you saw it like this. 5 at the top and 1 in the bottom, which is 5 and 1, which is the same as that one up here. But our 1 is in a different spot and it doesn't matter because it's still 6 dots on a 10 frame. I wonder if you got one of these ways, or maybe you got something different. You might want to take a photograph of your 10 frame and send it to Mrs. Reed or myself. We would love to have a look at your 10 frame that you thought of for the number 6. Thank you, girls and boys.